Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce repair time with AutoZone, beginner guide step by step. To reduce repair time with AutoZone, start by gathering your tools and parts before beginning any project. Visit the AutoZone website or app to access their extensive catalog of auto parts. Utilize the search feature to quickly find the specific parts you need for your vehicle. Check the availability of your selected parts at your local AutoZone store. If available, reserve the items online for in-store pickup, saving time on your trip. Next, consider using the AutoZone Repair Help section for detailed instructions related to your specific vehicle model. Review the step-by-step guides and diagrams provided, as they often simplify complex procedures. When visiting the store, bring along any necessary documentation, like your vehicle's year, make, and model, to ensure you receive the correct parts. Consult with the store associates if you need further assistance in selecting the right components. Once you have your parts, work in a clean and organized space to minimize distractions and increase efficiency. Use the right tools for each task by referring to the repair guides. Having the right equipment on hand can significantly speed up the process. Document any steps during the repair process if you're unsure, making it easier to troubleshoot later. If you encounter unexpected issues, consider using AutoZone's Loan-A-Tool program, which provides specialized tools for free. Remember to take breaks as needed. Staying focused will help maintain your pace. After completing your repairs, keep your workspace tidy by promptly disposing of any packaging or old parts. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce repair time with AutoZone and enhance your automotive skills. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.